Okay, when we talk retros, we talk about the Air Jordan 1s and we talk about the SB Dunks. In fact, we just speak about Nike. But Adidas must have said today, hold on, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to go back, way back into our archive and bring out this. Today, we're going to be talking about the Adidas Forum Exhibit Low. If you are a true sneakerhead, you will know these exhibit lows are based off the Adidas Forum 84 lows. Retails at £79.99. When they first came out, which was towards the early part of August, they were retailing at Foot Locker for around 72 quid. At the time, I didn't see the difference between the Forum exhibits and the Forum 84 lows. And I actually thought, because of the detail on these trainers, that they were more high quality than the original forums or the retro forums that came out. So I thought it was interesting that there was a price difference. Let's talk about the colorway. These particular colorways are white, black, and Pulse Aqua. Not sure what Pulse Aqua is, but it sounds like a good marketing word. Pulse Aqua. Now, I have to say, Nike has been dominating the retro world and bringing back all kinds of retros.
All kinds of games.
Which have gone down really well. And in the sneaker world, everyone's been snapping it up. All the bots have been active. Everyone's been active around all these trainers that Nike has been pushing up. Now, to be honest, Adidas or Puma or any of the other rivals or competitors haven't really been doing much. Yeah, there's been a few. I have to say Puma, and if you check my other videos, Puma have been stepping up. They've been bringing back quite a few of their old school trainers, RSs and Mirages and the other bits and bobs. And to be honest, I'm down with that. I got involved and I've purchased a few. But in terms of the Nikes, the only things I've purchased is the 4s, 6s, and the rest I've been taking L's left, right and centre, man. I've been taking hits left, right and centre, so I've been losing. I haven't got any of the Air Jordan 1s, and this trainer and I think the Adidas Forums are a direct result of trying to capture some of that Air Jordan 1 market, and I think they haven't done a bad job by bringing out this retro, because it actually looks like the 84s and have done a really, really good job. Now, this particular trainer, the exhibit, I really like this. My eye was drawn instantly to this trainer. I saw this on Foot Locker and I thought to myself, yes, I gotta have it.
So put on your Adidas and step off. I got to have it.
You know what I mean? Everyone knows about the 90 tunes. But yeah, I thought to myself, I gotta have this because it does look really good. The actual Forum silhouette looks a bit plain to me. Now, again, all these sneakerheads, don't shoot me down, but you get the simple colorways. Apart from the collabs, and there's been a few collabs, like from the Bad Bunny collabs, which I think those trainers are sick. The pink ones, the black ones, I think they were sick. But again, limited edition, lost out, couldn't get a pair. Anyway, these particular ones, they come up, and part of the key features that drew me to this was which is slightly different from the original Forums or the silhouettes that are the retros that have come out now. So what we have is you got the different upper levers. You got the tumbled leather, which is on the toe box, and then you got normal leather, which is on the lateral and medial side. And one of the key things that I do like, or the key features, is you got bits of suede, which I do like. And I think that is really nice, and that sets it apart, and that's why I really like it. So you got the suede on the front toe box here, which wraps around, which I just like. I don't know what it is, but I just like the fact that it moves from the suede to the leather, and you can see how that is binding together. It's just clear. It seems raw. And then you got the edges, which just seem a bit, well, they do seem raw. Again, I've said it in many of my videos. I got this off-white. I always keep talking about off-white, but you know, you just got those raw edges, which I do like. Another thing that I like is, if you haven't noticed, you got the Adidas stripes on this side, on the lateral, and then you got the Adidas side on the medial. And you can see that the stripes is white on the medial and it's black on the outside. And then you also got the Pulse Aqua, Pulse Aqua, which brings out the white stripes. So these are some of the details. You got the couple of overlays on the front part of the laces. So you got the Pulse Aqua hint there, which I think that looks clean. And also, where's the strap are, you got let's say the strap holder. Let's say the strap holder. You got the two different colors on either side. So you got the Pulse Aqua here, and you got the black here, which really looks good. Adidas also put the logo. So you got the logo on the tongue, and then you got the Trifle logo on the lateral side, and on the midsole you got the Adidas sign as well as the Trifle logo, which really looks good. Other features that I do like is the fact that you got the TPU that surrounds. So this is almost like a heel counter. Almost look like a heel counter. They're starting off, and it actually looks quite good. It breaks up the colors. I do like it. I mean, it is just a really nice trainer. It is just a really nice trainer. Inside, it's just pure black. You got the sock liner, which is black, and then you got the insole, which is black with the Adidas sign, if you can't see it. So overall, I think this is a really accomplished and really nice trainer. If you go to the outsole, you got the typical Forum outsole, which is a nice print. Now, as I said, these were basketball trainers. Wouldn't advise using these as basketball trainers. They don't have enough cushion. I don't think it has support. I think these in particular are more or less lifestyle trainer, and definitely right about now, this is a good look for a lifestyle trainer. Now, on foot, I have tried it on and I've worn it. For some reason, it's not comfortable. I have to be honest, it is not comfortable. It's around this area which feels really, really, really tight. Now, if you have a wide foot, and I don't have a wide foot, but if you have a wide foot, I advise you to go maybe a whole size bigger. Now, some people say you can wear this true to size, but I definitely know there's different types of Forums out there. Now, in my head, is as simple as it should be similar pattern in terms of the way they're cut and the sizing. However, I haven't tried any of the other ones, and I've tried this one, and I know it's tight. So I know it's tight around here. Maybe this is from the old school of it needs to be broken in. And anyone who knows about breaking in trainers, you know that things had to be broken in and you had to suffer. But now, people are living different these days. The expectation is so high because you want to put on trainers and instantly feel comfortable. And I've talked about this. Now, I haven't really talked about it really, but I know that the trainers of these days, apart from the retros, the new trainers, when you put them on, they're comfortable from the get-go. Like the Vapor Max that I just recently reviewed, straight away that's comfortable. And I wore them several days ago I could put them straight on my feet and I had no issues whatsoever in terms of walking in. And I've done 10,000 steps in them. Believe me, I've done 10,000 steps and I had no issue. It was very comfortable. Where these, I know they're going to need breaking in. So I would advise to go one size up or go into the shops, try it on, and then see how you feel. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. There is a lot of detail on this trainer, which I'm just going to show you rather than talk about it. And it is a very good look. That's quite cool. It's a very good look. You let me know what you think of these trainers in the comments below. I'm going to leave it there. As I said, previous videos, comment, like, share. If you haven't subscribed and you like the content, please do so. If you want to find me on other platforms, at the moment I only have an Instagram page. So if you want to go on the Instagram, you will see my handle here. But guys, thanks for watching. This has been Sneaky Beast. And like that, I'm gone.